if you've got this Motorola Edge 50 Fusion and right after unboxing for the first time or maybe after factory reset, if you want to configure and set up this device, in this quick step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how to do that. So first, what you need to do is just press and hold on this power button to turn on your Motorola Fusion. You will be in this Hello Moto section. Now, when you end up in this language section, first of all, if you want, you can check out some vision settings. Press done. Choose your language and the region. Press start. You can either configure the mobile network by inserting a SIM or, like me, just skip it and save it for later. Now, another prompt asking you if you want to transfer any app or data from any of your older device. We're going to make a separate video of how to transfer data. Right now, I'm just skipping this part. Now, when prompted, you can also connect to the Wi-Fi. You can also set up your device offline. Let's set up the Wi-Fi. And after that, press connect. And then just go ahead, follow the prompts, accept the terms and conditions. When prompted, you can log in with your Gmail account, or you can just skip it now and log in later from settings. Now, I'm going to log in with my Gmail. And as you can see, you can also create an account right from here as well. If you're with me, enter the Gmail password, press next. Agree to the terms and condition. You can create a lock screen PIN pattern on password right now, or just skip it for now and set it up later. If you've logged in with your Gmail account, you will get this prompt to copy your apps linked to that account. Right now, I'm just skipping it. And after that, just keep following some more prompts, setting up your device according to your own choice and preference. We're almost there. When you are in the same section, that means the setup is complete. Just tap on Finish. And then redirect yourself to your home screen. And this is your newly set up Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. Hope this video could help you in the setup process. Thanks for watching.